Let's see how the zoom is on the video.
I'm having a pudding. They're sugar-free. That'll give me a stomachache.
Sugar-free?
Yeah.
Why?
Sugar-free gives me a stomachache. I'm having another one.
Eat it.
It's good. I want one.
Try it.
Delicious. I don't think your freezer works.
Why? No, they're sticky like that. No, they're sticky like that.
Can I see my dancing video?
Wait, I want to see me. Alright, that's enough of me.
Lick your kitchen floor. Yum.
What was that, Kim?
Yum. It's good, right?
You dork. There's a roach in here! No! Kim, don't.
Such a squealing girl.